Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you guys what I got in my Boxycharms box for this month. So the first thing that I got in this month's box is the Professional from Benefit. This is the Hydrate Primer. I also got the sponge from Hank and Henry, and I also received the Paddington lashes. This month's box I also got the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. I also got the Dose of Color Lip It Up satin lipstick in the color Mochi. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So to begin, I use the Professional Hydrate Primer, which is actually really new to me. I did really like this primer. It does really hydrate and it slightly fills in the pores. Then using the Hank & Henry sponge, I applied my foundation and my concealer. I really did like these sponges. They didn't soak up too much product. Definitely my favorite was the smaller eye one. I think it's very, very soft and it did a great job at blending. Okay, so taking the Zoeva Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, I first went into Substitute for Love all over my crease. With a flat brush, I took Pure Ganache and applied it to the inner part of my lid. Then taking the color Substitute for Love and Freshly Toasted, I mixed those two colors and applied it to the outer lid. Overall, I really did like the Zoeva palette. I think it blended really nicely together. I've used Zoeva products in the past before and really do enjoy these. So I actually already applied the Paddington lashes in the style Harlow. This was my least favorite from this month's box. The band was a little bit too stiff. I think if you have a hard time applying lashes, this will not be easy to apply for you guys. So I actually wanted to show you guys how the Mochi color from Dose of Colors looks on the lips. I really loved this formula. They felt super hydrating on the lips. They were super creamy. The only thing was the color wasn't my favorite, but I'm definitely interested in getting more. So that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.